The main challenges of picking the right web development platform. Choosing a web development platform can be a daunting task, as it requires a lot of research and decision-making. The main challenge is to find the right platform that meets your requirements, budget, and timeline. It is important to have sufficient knowledge about the different platforms available and the features they offer. It is also essential to consider the scalability of the platform for future growth and development. Additionally, the platform should be easy to use and maintain in order to maximize its efficiency and productivity. Furthermore, it must be secure enough to protect any sensitive data that may be stored on the website. All these factors need to be taken into consideration when picking the appropriate web development platform for you or your business. Top 8 criteria to select a mobile app development platform. When deciding on a mobile app development platform, there are several factors to consider. The top 8 criteria to select a platform include cost, scalability, security, coding languages supported, analytics capabilities, customizability, compatibility with existing frameworks and APIs, and technical support. Cost is an important factor to consider when selecting a mobile app development platform, as it will affect the overall budget for the project. Scalability should also be considered to ensure that the application can adapt to any changes in user numbers or features going forward. Security is paramount to protecting user data safely and securely. The coding languages supported should also be taken into consideration, as some platforms may not offer full support for certain programming languages. Analytics capabilities enable developers and users to track mobile app usage and performance. Customizability allows developers to personalize mobile applications according to their needs and preferences. Compatibility with existing frameworks and APIs ensures smooth integration of third-party services into the app. Lastly, technical support should also be taken into account to assist with any issues that may arise during development or after launch.